Okay, so imagine you are holding a phone that has not one, not two, but four cameras on the back, two of which are 200 megapixel sensors, packed into a body that is barely 9 millimeters thin, running on Qualcomm's newest and most powerful chip ever made, sitting on top of a 7,000 milliamp hour battery that charges wirelessly and even reverses charge back to other devices. That is the Oppo Find X9 Ultra in a nutshell, and honestly just describing it out loud sounds almost too good to be true. But here is the thing, this phone is very real, it is finally going global, and today we are breaking down everything you need to know about it because this might just be the most ambitious Android flagship of 2026. If you are new here and you love deep dives into the latest and greatest in tech, hit that subscribe button right now and smash the like button because we are just getting started, and this one is a long ride worth taking with me. So let us talk about where this phone comes from. The Find X series from Oppo has always been their statement piece, their way of saying, hey, we are not playing around. The X9 Ultra is the pinnacle of that lineup, and what makes this moment particularly exciting is that it is stepping onto the global stage. This is not just a China exclusive this time around. The phone was announced on April 21, 2026, and is expected to ship in May of 2026, so this is brand new, hot off the press, and the spec sheet alone is enough to make any tech enthusiast stop scrolling and start paying attention. Let us start with the display because this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You are getting a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED panel running at 1440 by 3168 pixels, which puts you at around 510 pixels per inch. That is razor sharp. We are talking Dolby Vision support HDR10+, and a refresh rate that goes all the way up to 144 Hz. The brightness story is what really gets me though, because typical brightness sits at 800 nits, which is solid. High brightness mode bumps that up to 1800 nits for outdoor visibility, and then peak brightness hits an absolutely wild 3600 nits. Real-world measured brightness from testing came in at around 1156 nits, which is strong and more than enough to use this phone comfortably in direct sunlight. The screen-to-body ratio is sitting at a clean 90%, covered by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it even supports Ultra HDR images. This is not just a good display, this is a reference display for 2026, and it shows. Now let us get into the engine because the performance story here is genuinely exciting. Oppo put the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside this thing. That is the SM8850AC built on a 3nm process. You have got an octa-core CPU with the 2 prime cores clocking in at 4.6 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 3.62 GHz. The GPU is the Adreno 840. AnTuTu scores came back at 2.85 million on version 10 and over 4.1 million on version 11, which are some of the highest numbers we have seen on any smartphone right now. Geekbench multicore sits at nearly 10,903. DMark Wildlife Extreme came in at 7,339. These are flagship crusher numbers. This phone is fast. Not just fast for a day, not just fast in a benchmark, but the kind of fast that you will still feel 2 years from now when apps have gotten heavier and more demanding. Memory options are generous too. You can get 256 gigs with 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs with either 12 or 16 gigs, or go all the way to 1 terabyte with 16 gigs of RAM. And that storage is UFS 4.1, which is the fastest flash storage available on mobile right now. No microSD card slot though, so pick your storage tier wisely because what you buy is what you get. And hey, real quick, if you are finding this breakdown helpful, drop a like on the video right now. It genuinely helps push this content to more people who love this stuff just as much as we do. Now here is where things get absolutely insane and why the Find X9 Ultra is in a league of its own in 2026. The camera system. This phone has a quad camera setup on the back, and every single lens here is doing something serious. You get a 200 megapixel main wide-angle camera with an f1.5 aperture and a 23mm focal length on a 1/1.12-inch sensor with optical image stabilization and phase detect autofocus. That sensor size and that aperture combination is designed to pull in as much light as physically possible. Low-light photos from this thing are going to be stunning. Then there is a second 200 megapixel sensor at 70mm with a periscope telephoto design, f2.2 aperture, 1/1.28-inch sensor, and 3x optical zoom. Two 200 megapixel sensors on one phone. That is still wild to say out loud. On top of that, you have a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto at 230mm for 10x optical zoom with an f3.5 aperture and a fourth 50-megapixel ultrawide at 14mm with a 123-degree field of view and an f2.0 aperture. Every one of these 4 cameras has PDAF and OIS. There is also a color spectrum sensor and laser autofocus. And Oppo has their Hasselblad color calibration baked in, which they have been refining for years now, and it genuinely makes a difference in how colors are rendered and tuned. On video, the Find X9 Ultra is a beast. You can shoot 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, 1080p at up to 240 for slow motion. There is Dolby Vision HDR recording, 10-bit video, and O-Log 2 for color grading flexibility along with cinematic LUTs baked right in. This is the kind of camera system that was previously reserved for dedicated cinema cameras, and Oppo has squeezed it all into a phone you can slide into your jacket pocket. The selfie camera is a 50-megapixel sensor at f2.4 with PDAF, and it can shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Content creators and vloggers are going to love this phone. Build quality and design deserve some attention too. The Find X9 Ultra comes in at 163.2 by 77 millimeters and sits at either 8.7 or 9.1 millimeters thick, depending on which back option you choose. Weight is 235 grams, which is on the heavier side, but that is the price you pay for a 7050 mAh battery and a 4-camera system inside a refined chassis. The front uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the frame is aluminum, and the back is either glass or an eco-leather silicone polymer depending on your color choice. Colors available are Tundra Umber, Canyon Orange, and Polar Glacier. The IP68 and IP69 ratings mean this phone can handle dust, water submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and high-pressure water jets. That IP69 rating is rare on a flagship, and it is a serious durability upgrade. Connectivity is top tier across the board. You are getting Wi-Fi 7 support with tri-band capability, Bluetooth 6.0 with aptX HD and aptX Adaptive and LHDC5 NFC, an infrared blaster which Oppo has kept around and I appreciate that, USB-C 3.2 with OTG support, dual nano SIM plus eSIM, and a comprehensive GPS stack supporting GPS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, GLONASS, and Nav-IC. No headphone jack though, so wireless audio is your life now. The stereo speaker setup is strong with a measured output of -25.6 LUFS, which qualifies as very good in real-world testing. Sounds loud and clear without getting tinny at high volumes. Battery life is one of the most impressive things about this phone, and I think it is getting underrated in early coverage. Yes, the Find X9 Pro has a slightly larger 7500 mAh battery, but the X9 Ultra packs 7050 mAh, and in active use testing it scored over 20 hours and 10 minutes of screen on time. That is phenomenal. That is a full day and then some even for heavy users. Charging speeds are strong with 100-watt wired charging, 55-watt PPS support, 18-watt PD and quick charge compatibility, 50-watt wireless charging, 10-watt reverse wireless charging, and reverse wired charging too. You have got every single charging option covered here, and the 100-watt wired speed means you are going from low battery to full in under an hour comfortably. Software side, the Find X9 Ultra ships with Android 16 and ColorOS 16 out of the box, and Oppo is promising 5 major Android upgrades. That means this phone will be receiving software support potentially all the way to Android 21. For a phone at this price point, that longevity promise matters, and it is getting better in this space across the industry. Price is sitting at around €1,700 at launch, which puts it firmly in the top tier of the flagship market alongside devices like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. The competition is fierce, but the Find X9 Ultra is showing up with arguably the most advanced camera hardware in the segment, a massive battery, elite performance, and a design that stands out from the crowd. The bottom line is this phone is a serious statement from Oppo. It is packed, it is polished, and it is finally available globally, which means more people than ever can actually get their hands on it. The dual 200-megapixel camera setup alone is something you genuinely have to experience to believe, and the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with that 7000 mAh battery and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity puts this phone ahead of the curve for at least the next 2 years. If you are in the market for an ultra flagship and you want something that is not just another iteration but genuinely pushes what a smartphone can do, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra absolutely deserves to be on your radar. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, first of all, thank you so much for watching. That genuinely means the world. If you found this breakdown valuable, please hit the like button. It helps more people discover the channel. And subscribe if you want to stay up to date on everything happening in the world of mobile tech, because we cover it all right here. See you in the next one.